In this video, I'll explain how to create a Java class. Okay, so for this example, I'm just going to show you how to create a Java program using a text file. I'll right-click, choose New, Text Document. Now what I want to do is change everything, including that three-letter extension. So I'm going to call this hello.java. Use the three-letter Java extension. I'll go ahead and press Enter. We'll get a message here asking, are you sure you want to change that three-letter extension text? And we do, because we're creating a Java file. Even though it's a text file, it's got the .java extension. Click Yes. Right-click that. Choose Edit with my Notepad editor. And here's our blank file. So to create a class, we just type this, public class. Use a capital letter here, hello. So I'm going to call this one hello. It's really up to you what you want to call it, but the program itself is called hello.java. So I'm going to use hello and then put in opening and closing braces. So I'm going to add a couple of lines here. And there's our class. Now, it's really important to remember that this is our class name right here. We use the public class text before that and then put in our braces. And then anything contained inside these opening and closing braces becomes our class. We can start creating our program from here.